Do you know the reason why women don't shake or move their hands during a handshake? Why the moose are becoming so angry and killing humans in North America? Or why Russia didn't mark beer as alcohol till 2011? Have you ever tried eyeball of tuna? Or do you know what is inside the Fairfield Estate? This video brings you the top 5 facts for the day. So don't skip the video, and please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned with our channel. Fact number 1, eyeball of tuna. It is a tradition in China to boil the eyeballs of tuna in water and make soup of it. They say it tastes like an octopus. And this is one of their favorite dish. Fact number 2, killer moose. Moose is like a cow in size, and their behavior is also alike the cow. You will not find them aggressive by looking at their movements and behavior. But unfortunately in North America, this animal makes a record of taking the human lives. They break the record of bear in taking the lives of humans. Why do moose attack humans? Moose that are fed by humans often become conditioned and will act aggressively when they are not fed as expected. It also may attack if it sees that the person has no food to offer. Fact number 3, woman handshake. You won't feel any movement in the hand of any women when you shake your hand with them, because they stay their hand smooth during a handshake. What is the reason behind this? It says, in the past, people wouldn't shake their hands with girls. They only kissed on the woman's hand. Because of this, women stay their hands smooth like before. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section below. Fact number 4, alcohol in Russia. In Europe, the most number of Muslims live in Russia. The number of Muslims is increasing day by day after the religious independence law in 1991. It is predicted that in 2034, 30% of the total population in Russia will be Muslim, and by 2050, it will be the largest country with Muslim people. But the alcohol is banned in Islam religion. The Muslim people of Russia sometimes convert to the Christian religion. Because in extreme cold, they didn't want to give up alcohol. Even they didn't mark beer as alcohol till 2011. Russian women are famous for their rough and complaining behavior. Besides, they are famous for being high after drinking. Fact number 5, Fairfield Estate. Fairfield Estate is famous for its security and level of lifestyle. The owner of this estate never hesitates to spend money for him and his family's security. His castle-like house is situated in Hamilton City. The current worth of his house is about $248 million, which is considered as one of the expensive property in the United States. This house is built on 62,000 square feet land. Imagine the person who can spend money to build such a house, and can spend $500 million to decorate the house with expensive furniture. Then, how much he might spend on the security of this house. The world's most highly trained security team and high-tech security technologies are associated to protect this house. Even they use the drone for security purposes 24/7. It cannot be imagined from outside, but there are lots of security sensors around the house. So viewers, we hope you enjoyed our today's facts. Let us know in the comment section what you think and which fact you enjoy most. Tap the bell icon for knowing more interesting facts daily. Please subscribe, like, share and be with us for the next video.